Nityanandam. Sorry for the technical glitch. Let's start with the instruction. The power of telekinesthetic. Take some small object, a pen cap or a twig or a small stick. Have a bowl of water, no fan or any kind of air next to it. So place it in one of the corner, take a picture of it, and let's sit straight, get into the meditation. Visualize Bhagavan in third eye. Continuously contemplate what Tyaga does, how it raises us to the higher reality, how Pachapatni Vritam gives us such a peaceful space, the inner space, the thoughts just reduce, and simply there's Paramashanta Swarupa inside you, and how the manifestation simply raises to the next level and making us realize as consciousness itself. Contemplate on the great truth Bhagavan is giving us and initiating us every day. And chant the Maha Vakya, the mantra Diksha that Bhagavan himself has given us. Literally offering the mantra to the Jatagni in your stomach raises you to the consciousness, Paramashiva space of Sri Kailasha, simply for you to manifest any reality. So let's sit straight, visualize Bhagavan in third eye, continuously contemplate on Bhagavan's greater truth, and holding that oneness space of the darshan Bhagavan gave in your heart, bring again and again to live from your heart than in your mind. The more and more you start living from your heart, seeing everything as Paramashiva, everything as Swamiji himself, will make you manifest the highest reality. And chant the Maha Vakya, Om Nityananda Paramashivoham.
Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda 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 Paramashivoham. परमशिवोऽहम् ॐ नित्यानन्द 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 Shivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. 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 Om Nityananda Shivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. 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 Om Nityananda Paramashivoham.
Nityanandam, please take a picture of the bowl of water and the stick or whatever object you have put in that, and please share with everybody in tinyurl.com/powermanifestation. Again and again, every day, Charya Pada, Kriya Pada, Yoga Pada, Jnana Pada. Jnana Pada is you manifesting the greater reality, the manifestation of Bhagwan, the Leela, through all of us. Just we came here to celebrate Bhagwan, continuously enjoying, continuously holding the oneness space in every action, in every thought, not diverting to your mind whether it's logically possible, impossible, this can be done, this can't be done, I don't have time, how do I do things? The Pachapatni Vridam is the best example to break all that impossibility, because all that is just the dream, just the mind. How we are caught up in the delusion, and Bhagwan is raising us continuously into the higher reality. Holding Bhagwan in your heart continuously in every action, consciously doing that, breaks free from the elementary field, and living that and enjoying that, celebrating that, the oneness space in your heart continuously makes you more and more out of this delusion. And sharing that with the world, enriching the world with the great signs that Bhagavan is giving us, especially Pachapati Vridam, the fasting that we are taken up, sharing that with the world will heal the world. Making again and again a contribution for others liberates us from that delusion, and causing people more and more to come and get the blessings of Bhagwan again and again simply liberates us. Anugraha happens in us. It's we who pull us up or we who push us into delusion. It is our own will that we are doing it again and again. When Bhagwan guides us and pulls us out of delusion, going along with him will make us realize the next possible dimension, that is immortality Bhagwan gives us. Living forever, eternal, in the presence of Bhagwan is the ultimate gift Bhagwan has given us. And sharing that experience and manifesting all these powers continuously is the greatest gift that we have got. With that, let's surrender all these great truths and the power manifestation to Swamiji's lotus feet. Again and again, whenever we manifest or don't manifest, surrendering to Bhagwan's feet, whether things happen or not, understanding everything, surrendering to his lotus feet, again and again, expands us, brings us the confidence that he is the doer, he is the doing, and he is only getting everything done. And everything is nothing but him himself, manifested at different things, just for the Leela that Bhagwan is playing. With that, let's visualize Bhagwan in the third eye with a deep prayer and gratitude, asking Bhagwan to make Tyaga, Kailasha as your reality, so that you can be in the presence of Bhagwan, manifesting all these powers and living as Kailashavasi. So with that, let's visualize Bhagwan in third eye and end with the Purna Mantra. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purna Purnamudashyate Purnasya Purnamataya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Tat Sat Sarvam Bhagavate Sri Nityananda Paramashivam Padukarpanamastu. Om Nityananda.